Welcome back. I'm Lavette Sinai. If you've never visited this channel, I'm glad to have you. Today, we're going to do something a little different. We are going to see what's in my handbag. I love watching videos like this. It's so fun. I don't know if it's like handbag voyeurism that we all have, or we're just plain nosy, but it is really fun just to see what others have in their bags. So I thought I would do one of these videos today. And today we're going to feature the Louis Vuitton Speedy 35 in the Damier Ebene print. And it is very heavy. So there's a few things that we have to go through. So let's get started. All right, so we're at my desk today, and this just seems like the best place to do it because my closet has quite a bit of stuff on the desk, or my vanity. So I'll have to figure that out if I want to do more bag videos. But anyway, again, the Damier Ebene. I got this bag in 2018, and I wanted it older because I've been hearing about like some of the quality and so forth. And I don't know how true that is because I know people who have gotten brand new Speedies and brand new, whatever texture or whatever line of bags that they have, and they're perfectly fine. I don't know, but I'm sure imperfect hands are making these, or machines. So, but anyway, I wanted something vintage because I really like things that are older. But this was, I was looking on the Yuga's Closet site, and I looked at Fashion File and some of the others, and this took place while I was recovering from breast cancer and was just shopping from bed. So anyway, yeah, so I found this bag, and it said that it was excellent condition. And you guys, look at this bag. It still has like folds in it. And this is like 7 years after I purchased it. So when I got it, they said that it really wasn't used a whole lot. Like it may have, like, you can see some, just some rubbing where she held it. But this bag was pretty much like unused. I was so happy, and I got it for under $1,000. And so I was really happy. And this condition right now, this bag right now goes for, I think, like $1,600 directly from Louis Vuitton. So, which is crazy to me. Again, it's 35, but beautiful bag. It's a big hole, and you'll see why I love it so much. So yeah, it came from Yugi's, and when you order from them, they really do authenticate. I've never had any issues, and I've watched lots of videos with handbag lovers and excellent reviews. But anyway, so let's just get started. As you see, you just dump things in and that's what I like. So my cute little, today I have a cute little, accessories. My lock, I can't find the key. I have the key, but I put it somewhere. I'm so clever. I put it somewhere that I wouldn't lose it, right? Well, I've hidden it from myself, so I know it's somewhere in my closet. But this is the lock. This is like a cute little heart. It was a gift. And it's like a Bible and like notepads and so forth. I just love that. And it meant a lot to me when the person gave it to me. But this first thing, I keep my eyeglasses. These are like my distance and driving glasses. I don't really need like regular vision glasses anymore because I got cataracts early when I was in my 40s, and so they removed them, and then I was able to toss my glasses away. But I still have like little reading glasses and distance glasses for like when it's raining and so forth. So gotta have those. Let's see what else. I have This is my, I keep calendar on my phone, but I just also I love to write things down. It makes me feel like I have more control, maybe. I don't know, but I like to write things down. So yeah, that's why I have that. And it also holds my grocery list, so it has dual purpose. And also a little comb, a notebook when I need to take notes. You see, I'm old school, and I love writing things down. I have this is the Louis Vuitton in the monogram print. This 6-key holder, I got this in 2013 or something like that. 2013, 2014. My husband got it for anniversary, and I can just leave the house with this. I can, if I have to go somewhere, like you're going to a sporting event, or I'm going to some type of show in the park or somewhere I don't really want to carry a bag, put my ID in here and a card, because you see it has the little pockets. I love that pink ballerine color. Oh, so pretty. And I'm set to go. I don't have to take anything. I just run out the door. Love that. It is a workhorse. And this little My Melody, I love My Melody. It's so cute. It's like the little kid in me. But it holds, you know, little cards that I need. And a credit card that I keep when I go out of town and to rent cars. I keep it in here. I like to keep things in the same place so that when I need them, I know exactly where it is. I'm not digging and going, you know, where is that? So that. Hand sanitizer, have to have that. Have to. This is I carry a big hand cream. So a la Maison de Provence shea butter argan oil, so good. It's kind of like the oh my gosh, L'Occitane au Provence line. It's really similar to that, but not as expensive. Straws, because when I get something to drink, and if they don't have straws, that's okay, because I have my own. This carries my, I'm diabetic, type 2. Although my A1C and everything is like so good. My doctor said, you're just basically officially diabetic, because I keep my stuff on track. But I do keep my monitor and everything with me. Excuse me. Because just to check before I eat, just, you know, that helps me control too, and make sure that I don't like put my body in a bad position, you know, to stay healthy. Have a magazine here. Like to read if I'm in a waiting room or somewhere where it's taking forever. This is I love this. I got this in Vegas at the Coach store, and I just wanted something with this line. I didn't really like the bags with the cherries and so forth. This was just this past February. I got it at the Coach store at Venetian, and it is so good. It holds so much. My driver's license, you know, right in the front there. It has 2 like little slots. I like things like this because you can literally just run out of the house with it if you don't feel like carrying a bag, and you have everything you need. Let's see what else we have. Oh yeah, I keep a mask. I always keep a mask with me. I know people say, well, COVID's over. No, it's not. COVID is she's still floating around here causing problems with people. And so if I go somewhere, even somewhere where someone's immune system is a little compromised, I just like to, you know, courtesy, put a mask on for them. That's just the right thing to do. And now this, although my bag is absolutely 1,000,000% authentic Louis Vuitton, okay? And so is my 6 key. However, I needed something to hold little incidentals like lip glosses, chapstick, little hand wipes and things. And I looked, because I wanted to kind of match, right? Daisy Rose. Now, this is not a, what do they call it? It's not replica and so forth. Does not claim to be Louis Vuitton. But the color matched so good. I was like, okay, because you can see the color does not match. But Daisy Rose, I think she used to be at Walmart, but you can go to the website, which is what I did. And they have different bags, just not just prints like this, but like her own original type of prints. But I have like, you know, Clorox wipes. I'm the queen of wiping down seats when I get on the airplane. I have my Altoids, which I love those. Another mask in there. Just things like that in that one. And then this one, also Daisy Rose. Excuse my nails. I'm growing my nails out, you guys. My nails, I'm a nail biter, but I stopped biting my nails like a week or so ago and they grow really fast and they grow out like curved, which is really good and hard. So I don't know, but it's not nice to have your nails bitten off. You know, it's just a bad habit that I've had since I was little. But I keep like powders in here, you know, lip gloss. I keep things separate, like I said, so I know what's in what. And then another one, I've had this for years, Daisy Rose. It used to have a little handle, but I think I put it in one of the others. And it keeps my cards and checkbook. I don't write checks, but every time I spend something out of my checking account, I note it down. I am really a stickler for that. I can tell you exactly to the penny what is in my bank account right now. Because my husband's like, you know, he thinks I'm obsessed with that, but it's just a good habit. You need to know what's going on with your money. I know what's going on with all my accounts. I do. That's just something I probably inherited from my grandfather, and my mother's like that too. So that's a good habit. But yeah, I love these, and I will use these until they fall apart, which is not showing any signs of that. You know, I'll spend on my bags, but I didn't want to spend like $600, $700, $800 on just a little zippy to keep, you know, hand wipes and things. And I'm not a person that has to do that. I like my bags to be super good, and then find some nice, decent quality little wallets or whatever. I think I do want a Chanel wallet. I do want that, and I know it costs, but I want it, so I'm gonna get that. But yeah, that's what's in this particular bag, and it's a little messy, but it is a organized mess, as you just saw. So anyway, thanks guys for stopping by and just going through my bag with me. This was really fun, and it was really different for me, but I will probably do this again as I get like new bags, just to show. These are really good because it shows you how you can use your bag. I don't understand getting a small bag that I can't put anything in, that I can only put like my phone and some lip gloss or whatever, lipstick in there. You know, my bags, I like to use them and they work for me. You know, I put them to work because I'm just really busy in my life. So anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun for me to do this and a little different and revealing. But I see I'm coming out of my shell quite a bit with this YouTube thing. But yes, thank you guys again. I really appreciate you. If you like this content, please consider this subscribing, and also make sure you like, because it really helps the channel a lot. So I appreciate you. You have a wonderful morning, afternoon, and evening, wherever you are in the world, and you have a good day. Take care. Bye.